In today's video, I want to show you a chart that nobody is watching right now. This chart, a little bit scary. This chart, quite dangerous. But let me make it very, very clear. You have to watch this chart like a hawk. It will change the entire crypto space very, very quickly. And today, we're going to cover exactly what that chart is and why you need to be watching it for the next several months. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Steve, founder and CEO of CryptoCrewUniversity.com, home of the most game-changing crypto courses. First and foremost, thank you for 100,000 subscribers. We just hit it. We have an incredible community. Our community is on fire, and you are about to join our community. This is going to be your new favorite community. Hit that subscribe button right now. If you're watching on the mobile, flip that bad boy up, click that subscribe. Look over here if you're watching on desktop, click that subscribe button right now. Everybody, throw a thumbs up on this video. We are diving straight in. We got a ton to cover, and it starts with the most incredible charts. And this one, by the way, I've never shown you before. But I want to talk to you for a second. Yes. I want to talk to you for a second. Trading can be difficult. You probably want a lot better results. You're not sure when to buy. You're not sure when to hold. You're not sure when to sell. You have no strategy. And today is your lucky day. I have a free course. I'm best known for our courses, and it just takes a few seconds to sign up. This course that I'm giving away right now, today, it'll help you tremendously. It'll be the best decision you've made in crypto the whole year. You're gonna go there right now, especially you. If you haven't done that, I'm talking to you. Go there right now, CryptoCrewUniversity.com, and get your free course in 3 seconds. CryptoCrewUniversity.com, link is in the description. I'll link it right here again, CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Go get your free course. Go do it right now, and then jump back into this video. So, in today's video, we're talking about some game-changing courses that I've never shown you before. And we're going to take a look at this one first, right? It's easy to go back in time and say this candle was the candle that shifted the momentum and we had an absolute explosion. It's easy to do that now. It's easy to see that, hey, we were in a downtrend for 900 days and this single candle changed it all. This would be a chart that nobody was watching. Luckily, for everybody that follows us, we made an entire video about this chart, about this candle, even before coronavirus existed. It was right after we printed this candle, and we called it Massively Legendary Candle. And looking at this chart, this is a chart that we like to focus on here on this channel. The bigger picture, the big monumental market shifts. That's where you're gonna make all your money or lose all your money. And that's why everybody loves our channel, because we look at the big picture. That's why you are now subscribed. This is a dragonfly doji. This, by definition, is found at the end or the bottom of downtrends, and it signals a major market shift. Again, it's easy to see that now, looking back, but we made an entire video about it right after we printed it. That is a chart nobody was watching at the time, and today's chart is a little more important than that one. All right, this is the chart of the hour. This is the major chart. We're going to get to it in a moment, but I want to talk about Ethereum for a second. We put a little poll up on the Twitters, and we said, look, Ethereum is reaching or close to reaching an all-time high. Would you like me to cover Ethereum? And it looks like everybody and their brother wants me to cover it, so we're going to do that. You can follow us on the Twitters at CryptoCrewU if you wish. And this is a little teaser about what is coming in Ethereum. Something major is brewing since January 2018. We're talking about 3 years. We've been forming this formation here, and we're going to talk about it on our next video. Now, real quick, I want to dive into this chart. It's everybody's favorite chart. It's the talk of the town in our community. We need to give a quick and dirty update on what's going on. All right, if you're relatively new, this is the 90 level in the RSI. We've been above it 6 times in Bitcoin's 10-year history. 6, that's it. But as we speak, we are at the 95 level of the weekly RSI, which means there's only 3 times in history, 1, 2, 3, that have been more overextended, more overbought in history. We have to pay attention very, very closely to this chart because these 3 times that I'm referring to by nature are the only 3 that were longer than 1 week above. Bitcoin in 2 days from now will be 2 weeks above, longer than 1 week, and it will match these 3. Coincidence? Absolutely not. Pay close attention, and we told you to follow this chart on Sunday. Sunday at midnight UTC time. Sunday, midnight at UTC time. Follow this chart. This is the MVT. If this bad boy changes white, it is highly probable that we will have a pretty drastic and quick and swift drop. If we remain red, prices will continue up. We've been saying it now for 90 days that prices will remain going up if we stay red. That was way back when Bitcoin was below $12,000. We were saying that watch this. If we remain red, we will go up. And since below $12,000, $11,000 and change, we've gone all the way up to 40 or over $40,000 now. So this is a major chart to watch. I want you to pair it with this chart that we're talking about right here. Midnight on Sunday UTC time. You better be watching that like a hawk. Again, if you are new here, you need to subscribe to keep up to date on this Ethereum chart, to keep up to date on this chart, and to keep up to date on the MVT. Hit that subscribe button. Join our movement. Now officially over 100,000 subscribers. Again, real quick, go here, get your free course, cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'm talking to you. You went and got it just now. If you didn't, go there right now. Get your free course. Come back just in time to talk about our next chart. I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to link it here, cryptocrewuniversity.com. You're going to click right here to get your free course. And again, that'll help you tremendously in 2021 have a lot better results. Now let's jump into this chart. This chart is remarkable. I have special access to this chart. I do not believe that you can pull it up. Okay, I just want to be open and honest. I have special access to this chart. I do not believe that it's regularly available to the public. But again, once you're subscribed, you're going to be getting this chart on the regular. I've never shown you this chart before, but this chart is something that nobody is watching. Let's break it down in a simple way. If you're new here, we have simple, clean, and clear TA. That's why everybody enjoys our channel, and that's why you're enjoying it too. We have 2 lines, a red line and a green line. If we go below the green line, it's highly probable that this is the bottom of the bear market. It's highly probable that you should bet your house on Bitcoin if we're below here. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. That was obviously some sarcasm. But again, you get the deal. If we're above the red line, it's time to be a little bit cautious. If we're below the green line, it's time to be drooling from the mouth to put whatever assets, whatever money you have to work to get into Bitcoin. Again, this is a simple, clean, and clear chart. That's a game changer. You will use this for many, many years to come. Okay? So you can see that we were below this level here in 2014, 2015. You can see that that ended up being the absolute most legendary time to buy. And you can see that back here in 2013, we were above this area here near our market top. We were above this red line here again in 2013 at our market top. And again, back to the Bitcoin 20K a couple years ago, just peeked its head above the red line here. And if we go to today, we are just getting quite close to this red line. We'll get more into that in a moment, but I want to make something very, very clear. This red line is something I want you to watch like a hawk for months to come. And here's why. When we get over this, again, on this channel, we're looking for a confluence. On our last video, we gave you a chart that said, look, these are the parabolic tops. Here's some evidence. Here's some data. When you look left, you can see that. And we're looking for confluence, and I want you to find confluence with this chart. And here's why. These are the market tops that when you take profits at these levels, you will look like an absolute superhero for the history of time. You can tell your grandkids that you took profits up here, they won't believe you. Okay? What I want you to do is understand these parabolic tops. These happen quick, swift, but with this chart, you have a hidden advantage. You have an absolute advantage that not a lot of people have. Again, look at this. We had battled with it before. It acts as beautiful support during this period, support during this period, and support during this period. Once we break it, we don't cross back up, okay? One thing about this blow off top is it's a blow off top. We don't come above this and have a blow off top and then come down below and then come above and come down below and come down above. We don't have that. It's a pure cut, black and white, cut and dry, a simple chart that you can use. Once we get above this, we stay above it until our top, and then we come down below. It's that simple. There is no up, down, confusion, sideways movement. No. We come above this red line, we have our market top, and then we correct in a large way. Plain and simple. That's why this chart is remarkably important for altcoins. For your favorite altcoin, you better watch this. If you love Bitcoin, you better watch this. If your favorite altcoin is Ethereum, like me, you better watch this, because this will dictate entire market moves for the foreseeable future. Again, once we get above this red line, we do not play. We go to create our all-time high. That's what we do with this red line. Again, what I would like to point out next is how we react to this chart. I believe we're in this formation right here. We're in this fractal pattern right here. And if you watch our videos, you're well aware with this chart. And I said, we are here. I believe with high probability that we are here in this fractal pattern based on a variety of charts. We have confluence with 4, 5, or 6 charts. I believe we are here. Again, is that a certainty? No, it's a probability that we're in this fractal pattern. And again, what did we do in this fractal pattern? This is June 2017. We'll go back to our chart right here. June 2017, we just came up to this red line. Why is that important? Because we are just coming up to the red line as we speak. What happened back here? Well, we didn't play well. We didn't play nice with the red line. We got rejected from this red line. We visited again in September. We got rejected again. Then we visited it again in October. We got rejected. And then again in November, we got rejected. Then we finally went through. And again, once we go through the red line, what do? We go to make our all-time high. Plain and simple. Every time so far in history of Bitcoin, that's how this chart reacted. And again, nobody's paying attention to this chart. Now you are. You have a competitive advantage. You're going to go share this video with your favorite person or even your worst enemy. Go share this with that person so everybody can have an opportunity to learn and grow from our channel, from this chart that nobody's watching because it's simple, clean, and clear. You're going to use it in the bull markets, like we just explained. You're going to use it in the bear market to absolutely and utterly dominate. When everyone else is calling for prices to go way down, you're going to use this chart and say, whoa, 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 whoa. This is time to bet my house and my dog and potentially my cat on Bitcoin because Steve said if we go below the green line, I should bet my house on it and my cat. But again, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor, but look, the facts are the facts. Men lie, women lie, the charts don't lie. I want you to watch this chart like a hawk. I want you to pair it with the top of the market. I believe we're here with the top of the market. Once this orange line crosses through this red line, generally speaking, history tells us that within 3 days of this cross, we are at our market top. We are looking for confluence of being above here and confluence above this pi cycle having a cross. And again, we have a major competitive advantage. That's why you're now going to subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button right now. Share this video with one person right now, even if it's your worst enemy. Hit that thumbs up button. We got a couple announcements to get to, but first, I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart for the 100K. Incredible. 100K subscribers, we just hit it. I also just want to say from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the support. I told you on the last video, we turned down $200,000. People are dangling $200,000 in front of my face. Steve, please talk about this ridiculous website, tell everybody you use it, lie to your fans, and we'll give you $200,000. And I said, hell no. I've been saying hell no for years. We will continue. And it just was really a blessing that the support from the community was off the charts. So thank you for your support. You know, maybe a lot of people I thought would have called me crazy, but overwhelming support from our community. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We talked about subscribing. If you still haven't done that, what's your problem? Go hit that subscribe button, join the movement. This is a no BS channel, straight to the point, clean, simple, and clear TA that you finally understand for the first time ever. And our courses are on just another level. Every single one of my students will tell you our courses are on an absolute another level from these videos. If you love these videos, the courses are absurdly better. They will help you tremendously. And luckily for you, you can go get a free course right now. Right now, go get your free course. If you haven't done so already, I'm talking to you. Go get it. Go get your free course right now. CryptoCrewUniversity.com. Click right here to get your free course. I have it linked down below. I'll link it here. Crypto Crew University. Go get your free course. Last but not least, helping each other in the comments. This is incredible. The amount of help everybody's given to each other. If you're an OG, if you've been following me for a long time, go help one person, just one person in the comments. Because some people are like, how do I draw a trend line? How do I do this? How do I draw circles on the chart? How do I put this chart? Go help one person. We'll make the world a better place by actually helping each other instead of always butting heads and throwing punches and jabs at each other. Our community is all about making the world a better place, helping each other, inspiring each other, learning, growing, excelling, and achieving large goals together, not against each other, together. So go help someone in the comments. I love to see that. That tells you the pulse of our community is incredible. I'll see you right back here on the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this. We're supposed to do videos just every Wednesday. That's what we're supposed to do. I'm pumping out content to help you, and I hope you appreciate it. I hope even your worst enemy appreciates it, because you're going to go share this video with them. I'm sure your cat doesn't appreciate it, especially since you might bet your cat if we go below this green line. But hey, I bet your cat lived a great life. Maybe you can get it a better life once we go below this green line. I'll see you right back here in the next video. Take care. Peace and love to the fellow underdogs.